Hariom, myself Vedika Anand Savan, studying in 12th standard, Ravapada Upasana Kendra. I have been following Aniruddha Vapu since my childhood. He has been my best friend like there was no one else. I have been talking to him when I have no one around. He is the closest one I have got in ever my life. Ever since I started to learn or to memorize something, he is only one that there he is the only one who is with me at every step of my life. Now I'm in 12, having my boards, and still I'm here to say my Anubhav Kathan. So my Anubhav starts from my little wish from the beginning of my life. Since I remember, I was always fascinated about the little puppies or any pet, any animal in this whole world. I love them very much. But unfortunately, I don't have any as my pet. But because of the Bapu, I got one. Not one, but two also. They are very small. Since where I'm living right now, there are these two puppies which are not allowed in society. They are living out of the society. So I meet them every day, and they are the cutest puppy I have ever seen in my life. They are very lovable. They are very cute, and they are just amazing. So they also like me, and I also love them with my bottom of my heart. So after that, he is like my part of my family. He lives in my heart, not out of my building. So one day when we were just feeding him, or both of them, one of the puppy fell sick. We were so tense. What happened? It's sudden. He's not eating anything, not drinking even water. So we just went to the vet and just let the vet check. He's famous doctor in Mumbai. So I went there. So she check up. Then I got to know that he's having something allergy in the stomach, and he don't have any chance of living. I was very upset, and I was literally crying till morning. So after all this, we again check up. We say what's the solution? Is there any single possibility if anything can save him? So he said there is only 50-50 chance, and there will be lot of expense. And after all, he is not a pet, so we can ask my pocket money or something. I can't say my parents to just give the money on the like a random arrow. It will just it was all waste and not practical. So I was like very tense, what is gonna happen. So dogs or pets are not allowed in my building. So still illegally, without no one knowing, I get the dog, and I live with him. So after that, he was really sick. He was not eating anything. He was just drinking water for whole 4 days. So after that, some time I was just terrified what is gonna happen next. And the thing about the dog is when the two dogs come as a sibling, there are always a pack of dogs or something like that. So when they come in the sibling, or they are connected the the blood or something. So if one dies, another dies. Is the information I get from social media and all that stuff. So I was so scared. If I lost one, I'm gonna lose both of them. So after that, I was on my uh, I was in my house, just keeping him in my hand and just thinking what to do. And it was like 11 o'clock. So I have to just get back. So he was little bit progressing. So I thought I'm not allowed to stay with dogs more because I have some my physical issues and some illness, unfortunately. But then I have to just give them away to their home with their mother. So I just went there, and by the way, I was going through my corridor or something. So I just tried that key. I can just apply Udi on it. It's the habit of mine and my whole house and my relatives that just apply Udi on your forehead before sleep, after you wake up, going outside, coming from inside. So every time, everywhere. And it's habit from like very, very young age. So it was like a last hope that will do something. Papu is with me. So I just take a pinch of Udi, apply it on his forehead and just going to say, you are gonna be all right. Papu is not gonna leave you. Just something like that, just bluffering everything I want. Everything was in my heart. So after that, I just leave him, came home, slept, woke up in the morning, and like I was cross finger going to him, having pedigree in my hand, just going there. I'm shivering right now. So I was going there. He was sleeping. I have no clue if he was sleeping, not alive. I was scared like a lot. Then I just opened the pedigree and they listens to my this voice. So they then I this and he was like, oh, like you are here. Then I just show him the pedigree and he run like the fastest dog in the world and came to the pedigree like he was hungry for the ages. So he started to eat like a hungry person. So he was eating, drinking milk, drinking water. So everything was suddenly something changed like a flash. So I was like, what is happening? Oh my god! In a whole night, how can just this much change can happen? We can consider that it can happen like he's eating little much like a progressive, but no, that was like, oh my god, he was not eating, just drinking, and now he's just eating, not even thinking that he have to stop. He's so small, his tummy will burst out after eating. He was eating like total mess, but I was so glad that he was eating. So it was all because of Bapu. And the second one, the sibling of my dog, he also went sick. So this was also happening. When he is fine, he is sick. He is fine, he is sick. So after that, I just prayed to Bapu that please let them be just fine, healthy puppies. It's all I want. I want nothing in my life. Just let them live their life the fullest. Let them be the happiest. That's all. Thank you. Hari Om Shri Ram.